I will show how to add auto view YouTube videos task in TubeAssistPro. Input a task name. Click the right button to add modules. Add account module, used to watch videos. I choose all accounts. Add view video module. Select account module as account source. I will show 2 ways to add video sources. The first way, I put videos link in URL module directly. I have put the link in a text file. Back to view video module, I can choose the video link. The second way, get the video by your subscription. Select account. Here you can set video upload time. Set search amount. Back to view video module, so I can choose this module. Set playtime. Or you can choose to play the videos to the end. Here I can choose to use which channel to watch videos. Insert a text module, input channel name. If you use all channel, do not need to input channel name. This time I want to watch specific videos, so I delete those 2 modules to run the task. View task settings have done. I took those 2 videos as examples. Start to run the task. Set run 5 times. You can see the running status here. View videos task done. Go back to see if the views have increased. That's all. Thanks for watching.